Easy, easy.
Some entertainers and culture promoters have called on the federal government to separate Ministry for Culture and Tourism to give more attention to the entertainment industry. They also urged the appointment of professionals to run the affairs of ministry for more efficiency. Coordinator Otis Village Igamu, Lagos, Temitope Babaimi, said that there was a pressing need to separate culture and tourism matters from the Ministry of Information. According to the cultural promoter, the initial merger was in an effort to instill some fiscal discipline, which later turned out negative to the creative economy. Babaimi said that Buhari should, in his second term, situate culture as a catalyst for economic, social, and political development. And moving on, BB Naija Season 3 housemate Ifu Inada says her abuser will be exposed when the time is right. It will be recalled that in 2018, the reality TV star revealed that she was sexually abused by a popular name in the entertainment industry and was also infected with a sexually transmitted infection. Speaking in Abuja, she explained that she stopped talking about the rape because she did not want to be seen more as a victim than the businesswoman and entertainer that she is. According to her, the rape inspired her theme, Tears of a Broken Virgin, and she will talk further when she is ready. She said, and I quote, "I stopped talking about it because I didn't want people to see me as just a victim. There is so much to it. I am above that, but at the right time, I will expose my abuser. He's even in Abuja." And using her platform to help other women overcome the trauma of rape, Nada said that she receives private messages from women and talks to them. She also said that she has spoken at events to help women rise above it. And finally, on entertainment, veteran Fuji musician Adewale Yuba says most up-and-coming musicians are not embracing Fuji music due to its huge financial involvement in its production. Ayuba said in Lagos that most budding artists prefer to groom their musical talent along such genres as hip-hop and Afro music. He said that this was because embracing hip-hop would require minimal amount of money for production. He said Fuji music required organizing musical bands that the leader must pay after each show or public engagement. Ayuba added that the owner of the band must also buy different musical instruments for the band boys to perform during engagement and rehearsals. According to him, having a handful of up-and-coming musicians interested in Fuji music is a sad development because Fuji is indigenous to Nigeria. And that's a wrap on entertainment. I am Hameeda Muhammad Idris.
Easy, easy.